Good morning. What you doing? What you doing? Come here. Come on. Gabby, do you want to say good morning? She doesn't. Are you ignoring me? What a grump. Why are you so grumpy? Come on. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Come here, Gabby. Why are you ignoring me? Why are you in the mood today? Hi. What are you doing? Come here. What are you doing? You good girl? Come on. Step up. Come on. Oh, she's in the mood today. Why are you so moody? Why are you so moody? Gabby, why are you in such... Why did we wake up so moody today? She's like, I don't need your help, Mom. I can get on my tree by myself. Can you, though? Here, I'll help you. She's like, I don't need your help. Look at you. Now what? Now where are you going? You're going to fall. Do you need Mommy's help? She's like, I don't need your help. I'm a big girl. What's the matter? All right, there you go. There you go, Gabby. Look at you. What are you doing? Look at you, big girl. No help from Mommy. You are a grump today, but you're still cute.